Business Research and Service Institute, or BRASI, is a trusted name in training and skill development since 1981. BRASI offers the Presentation Skill Course Handbook, your comprehensive guide to mastering the principles and practices of presentation skills. When you buy the Presentation Skill Course Handbook, you get access to the full course online, allowing you to receive your presentation skills certificate upon completion of the course review and passing the test. Presentation Skills Course certification is for individuals interested in mastering the fundamentals and methodologies of presentation skills. It's perfect for professionals and anyone else who wants to enhance their skill set and unlock new opportunities for employment and advancement. As a Presentation Skills Course holder, you'll gain valuable skills for employment and advancement, receive a Presentation Skills Certificate, and enjoy free verification as needed for employment and higher education. The Presentation Skills course is conducted 100% online, accessible from anywhere in the world, and self-paced, offering you full control of your schedule. When you sign up, you'll receive a course overview, video lesson, print-ready booklet, and quiz to reinforce your understanding of the course material. And the best part? All of this is available at an affordable price. Order the Presentation Skill Course Handbook now